Hey everyone, I am excited to introduce NANODEK. NANODEK is an all-inclusive build kit that inspires and empowers youth creativity. The affordable kit includes the materials and tools needed to make paper fingerboards at home. Not only are the kits educational and hands-on, they also encourage kids to just get outside and skate. With virtual learning and screen time on the rise, tangible, hands-on experiences like this are more important than ever. I'm looking for parents, teachers, and other adults that want to provide enriching opportunities for youth with less screen time. If you or someone you know can benefit from a NANODEK kit, check out nanodek.com for the current sale. Thank you for checking it out, and as always, I really appreciate your support.